So is Dash about to make a huge comeback? Let's break down the bullish case for it.
The big idea gaining traction is that Dash might be setting up for a major price reversal.
After a pretty wild week, Dash is now trading right around that $62 mark.
So what's actually driving all this hype? Well, a lot of it's coming from social media.
The main story you'll see is a liquidity grab after that recent dip down to 55 bucks.
That move kicked off a whole wave of short squeezes, sparking talk of a serious upward pump.
Traders are really zeroing in on 3 key themes, all pointing to some building bullish momentum.
But hey, sentiment is only half the story. The charts themselves look like they're coiling up.
If you look at the daily chart, we're seeing a clean breakout from a classic falling wedge pattern.
And this table lays out the exact price levels traders are watching for confirmation of the move.
On top of that pattern, key indicators are also showing that there's still plenty of room to grow.
Technical analysis is pointing to $78 as the first major price magnet. And if we can break through that level, well, $105 becomes the next logical target.
Now, with some real sustained volume, a stretch goal of 150 is definitely on the table.
Okay, so what's the final call here? Let's pull this all together for 2025-2026 outlook.
Short term, the goal is a steady grind toward 80. By early 2026, we could see a much higher range.
So how are people playing this? Well, swing traders and scalpers have pretty different strategies right now.
And we can't forget the fundamentals, right? They add some serious long-term tailwinds to the case.
See, this underdog could become a real market darling if this social momentum keeps on building. The market waits for no one. So, the big question is, what's your play?